Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream without cream, updated. Start by chilling your bowl, whisk, and liquid for at least 15 minutes. Then choose an alternative like aquafaba, chilled whole milk with stabilizer, or full-fat coconut milk. Whip at medium-high speed and add sugar slowly to taste. Test for soft peaks, then adjust flavor with vanilla or citrus. Use immediately or stabilize for longer hold. Aquafaba is a pantry hero and whips remarkably like egg whites, making it perfect for vegan whipped cream. Drain canned chickpeas and measure the liquid, then chill it thoroughly. Whip at medium-high speed until soft peaks form, then add sugar and a splash of vanilla while continuing to whip. For extra stability, whisk in a bit of cream of tartar or a small amount of cornstarch mixed with water. Full-fat coconut milk is an easy dairy-free option when refrigerated overnight to separate the cream. Scoop the firm top layer and whip it with sugar and vanilla for fluffy cream. For a dairy approach, chill whole milk and add powdered sugar plus a small stabilizer like gelatin or instant pudding mix to thicken. Flavorings like cocoa or citrus zest brighten the result and pair well with pies and fruit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.